Do you want to convert your computer's wired internet connection into more modern wireless one? Or are you looking for a tiny wireless solution for your internet needs on a computer? Or perhaps you have a laptop with a damaged Wi-Fi components or drivers? Then you have tuned in the right video. These scenarios can be rectified by using a USB Wi-Fi adapter. This particular one is from TP-Link, which is the top selling adapter on Amazon. In this video, you will get to know how good or bad is this adapter and should you invest your money in this. Moreover, I am not going to show you its plug and play capabilities but will put it through a test. So this video is going to be important for you. Therefore, without anything else, welcome to Padh Ke Dekho and let's get started. As you can see, some of the important information is provided like the model number, nano size, device supported, etc. On the left side, you can read the package contents and specifications by pausing the video. While on the right, you can check out the compatibility list. I have used this on Windows 10, Ubuntu 20.04 and macOS Big Sur, had no connectivity issues. You can also check out the important information on the back and on the bottom. In the box, you will get a disk with Windows and Mac drivers, a user manual with Mac and Windows how-to. And then there's the Nano Wi-Fi USB adapter. As the name applies, it is indeed a small form factor adapter that offers gold-plated USB connection and TP-Link branding. As I said in the intro, I am going to put it through a test, and that is getting this Wi-Fi adapter working with this old school compact computer from 2008. That too running on Windows 7 that has not been updated in ages. So let's see how it reacts. As soon as I connected it, the computer gave an error that the device driver is not successfully installed. And then I thought to install the driver through the disk. And here comes the next banger. The DVD drive was busted. So I had to copy the files to a pen drive using a laptop. All this time I was having a dilemma that this will not work. So finally I got the drivers on the computer and launched the autorun.exe file. It launched the setup by showing the device name and picture. After clicking on the picture, the installation started. Within seconds the installation was done, and without wasting time I went to the taskbar to find the Wi-Fi settings. And there were the Wi-Fi devices. I entered the password and it got connected. And now here's my 1 week review in pros and cons form. Well, there's only one con. If you need a tiny wireless solution, then this is great as it doesn't block the nearby USB slot. Build quality is quite an exception, keeping in mind the price. It feels like a durable and dependable product. In terms of internet speed, this USB Wi-Fi adapter is consistent as my mobile hotspot. As you can see in this image, I did speed test on my phone and on the computer using the same data as Wi-Fi hotspot. I typically use this adapter approximately 7 meters and had no issues with it. The maximum I tried was 10 meters, after which the internet speed was very less. Let's have a look at its plug and play nature on Ubuntu 20.04. I read a few reviews on Amazon and Flipkart saying they had issues with the installation. However, it worked for me, as you can see in this video. Giving 3 years of warranty shows the trust brand has on their products, and for a customer, it also acts as an icing on the cake. The only con that affected me was the bright green LED that kept on blinking. Though it is not a big one, I had it so shared with you. To take care of it, I simply inserted it on the back of the computer. So that's about it guys. I hope you would have found this video helpful. If you did, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews.